Hello everyone. Before we dive into deep technical demos, I want to share a quick productivity hack with you. We have a lot of content to cover in this course, and I know that your time is precious. You want to learn as much as possible, as fast as possible. So, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to level up your learning speed and finish this course faster without missing any details. Here's the strategy: speed watching. You might not realize it, but most people speak much slower than your brain can process information. So, here is the hack. So, change the playback speed to 1.25 or 1.5. Let's look at the math. If you watch a 60-minute video at 1.5 speed, you finish it in just 40 minutes. That saves you 20 minutes every single hour. Over the whole course, this saves you hours of time. To do this, just click the settings icon on the video player and adjust the speed. However, there are two golden rules. Start slow. If you are not used to it, start at 1.25x until your ears adjust. And second, brain over speed. Never sacrifice understanding for speed. If a topic is complex or new, slow it back down. Try it out on the next video and see how much time you can save. Now, let's get back to the cloud. In the next video, we will start our hands-on journey. See you there.